Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am going to be making a healthy dinner recipe. This is the first time that I try this recipe, so I'm really excited. I've never made it before, so this will be fun because we get to find out together if it's good or shitty. Normally when I'm trying a new recipe, I research several recipes and then I kind of just wing it. I just have it in my head. I'm like, I think this is what I need, and then I just throw it together and YOLO. And this is why I'm more of a cook than a baker, because with baking you have to be precise. With cooking you have a little bit more freedom of expression, so that's why I love just winging it, improvising. I think it just makes it funner. I don't like to be super exact. I'm gonna be making a healthy dinner recipe. It's gonna be chicken Alfredo, but so weird. But instead of traditional Alfredo sauce that has heavy cream and butter and all that, it's gonna be made with cauliflower, blended cauliflower. We're gonna cook it down with garlic and salt and then blend it once it cools. It's gonna be a good time. I'm excited, but I am starving. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. But first, let's go through the ingredients. You're going to need pasta, a chicken breast. This is 12 ounces of frozen cauliflower. I prefer buying cauliflower that's already riced, just because it's so much easier to work with. This is frozen. You can get non-frozen cauliflower as well though, as long as it's riced like this, it's just easier to saute. Green beans, kale. I love to put veggies in my pasta because I feel like it's just an easy way to sneak more veggies into there. Minced garlic, red pepper, salt, and regular pepper. And then here I have my parsley, which I'm gonna top it with. I'm hungry, let's go ahead and get started. All right, first I'm gonna put some water to boil for the pasta. Oh, look at me in my hoochie shorts. Wow, you guys, these shorts are very dangerously short. I feel like they look like chonies. Any hooters, I am going to put some salt in here to salt this water. And I'm gonna bring that to a boil. Set my pasta over here. That way when it's boiling, I can just get to business. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to make this recipe. All right, so now that my pan's hot, I'm gonna saute some garlic first. Add a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin. That says all. So I'm just gonna cook the garlic. Right now the garlic is sauteing. I'm just gonna saute it for about 2 minutes. You want it to be fragrant but not burnt. The pasta is boiling, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of pasta. My pasta is boiling. My water is boiling, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of pasta. My garlic is looking good. All right, I'm gonna add my rice cauliflower. Ooh, I wanna be with you. So I'm gonna let this cook, and I'm gonna add my salt, pepper, and crushed pepper to this. I'm gonna cook the cauliflower for about 10 minutes and let it get nice and translucent and let it cook through. You guys, can we just have a moment of silence? A moment of silence. Can we just have a moment of recognition for me? I've been uploading consistently on YouTube and I never thought I'd see the day. So I would like to give myself a round of applause for actually sticking with something. I love doing YouTube and I love making cooking videos, and I think I finally found my calling. I think I finally found my jam. Does anybody else have a microwave that harasses them every 2 seconds? Jesus. Cauliflower is looking so good. You guys, I've been watching those TikToks where people roast each other, and some of those are freaking savage. Like,
it's the back knee for me.
It's the All-American Eagle wardrobe for me.
It's the almost killing me in a car crash 3 times for me. It's the crying cool bitch for me. It's the constantly getting stomach aches for me. It's the only eating plants for me. It's the Disney obsession at 18 years old for me. It's the ensemble sophomore year for me. Oh, and it's the dropping out of a D1 school to go to community college for me. So.
It's my saggy boobs for me.
Oh.
You're supposed to do it to each other, not for yourself. Oh! Fucking hell.
It's the edges for me.
It's the fake earrings for me.
It's the jumbo ears for me.
It's the fake chain for me.
It's the crispy lips for me.
It's the old life pants for me.
It's the oversized shirt that's not yours for me.
It's the dragged on eyebrows for me.
It's your crush rejecting you for me.
Why would you say that? You telling everybody my secrets. That's why you single. With your assy, crusty toes.
All right, so both my cauliflower and my pasta is ready. So reserve about a cup of your pasta water. We will use this later for the sauce. I don't think we're gonna need a full cup, but I think it'll be good to have a little bit more. Reserve some of your pasta water. And then I'm gonna set my cauliflower aside as well. All right, so while my cauliflower is cooling, I am going to pan sear my chicken breast. I'm gonna add some olive oil to my pan first. I'm gonna cook it for about 4 minutes on each side. Look at this plate that my mom got me. It's a poodle. There's a poodle on a plate and it's adorable. It's a poodle on a plate. All right, so my chicken's ready, so I'm going to set it aside. Let that cool off. My last step is I'm gonna saute my veggies, my frozen peas and my kale. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna do about 2 big handfuls of kale. Okay, maybe like, yeah. There we go. And then for my peas, I'm gonna do about a cup. So I actually lost custody of my Vitamix, so I have this cheap little $15 Hamilton blender. So I am going to blend my cauliflower. I'm gonna blend my cauliflower with about half a cup of water to make that Alfredo sauce. Those chunky bits down there. Our sauce, nice and creamy. All right, I'm excited. I'm gonna bring everything together and cook it for another 5 minutes or so. The sauce is really good. It's very flavorful and it's more creamy than what I was expecting, so I'm really excited. I am going to bring it all together. I'm gonna add in my chicken, my pasta, my sauce, and my veggies and just mix it all up and cook it for another 5 minutes. Don't mind the tripod in the back, YouTuber business. All right, this is ready. I topped it with some parsley because you can't go wrong with fresh herbs. I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna get a piece of chicken and pasta. Bon appetit. That's really good. So I'm not gonna bullshit you and tell you that, oh, this tastes exactly like Alfredo sauce, because it doesn't, but I wouldn't be fooled and think, oh wow, this is legit Alfredo sauce. But it's really creamy, and it's really good, and cauliflower just comes through like that. It's so versatile. It's really, really good, and it has that satiating savory factor to it, so I do recommend it, and I think it'll hit the spot if you're craving pasta but maybe don't want all that butter and heavy cream. I personally, TMI, but I can't digest heavy cream very well, so I try to stay away from it. But this is really good. I would highly recommend, so if you try it, let me know. So good. So good. Let me know if you like these videos, if you'd like to see more cooking videos. I really love making them. If you like this video, if you can subscribe and hit your notification button, I would really appreciate that because it would really support my channel. All right, that's it for today, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.